Guys, Teacher Junior here. Let's start prepositions of time, specifically in, on, and at. When do we use each one? First, in. We use in centuries, decades, years, and months. Okay? On, we use in days, day of the week, day of the month, and holidays. Holidays with the word day. Okay? Here, for instance, on September 1st, we have September. But since we have the day first, we use on. Next one, at. We use at to describe time. A very specific situation within this chart, within this graphic. Time. At 8 o'clock, at midnight, at Christmas. Okay? Can you see the difference? Can you spot the difference between on Christmas Day and at Christmas? At Christmas, since we don't have the word day, we use at. On Christmas, we have the word day, so we need to use, to be grammatically correct, we need to use on. Okay? And this is the lesson for today. Bye-bye.